Welcome back. I have been to Aldi and I have got 4 crispy chicken strips and sweet chili dip. Now, I'm going to show you this. Crispy chicken strips and sweet chili dip. Chicken breast strips in that crumb coating with our serving dip of sweet chili. There's that. 230 grams. And this to see it. Okay, there. And that's it. Sweet, wheat, and told and wheat. That's the olive chips, and that's it.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Okay, there it is. I'm going to put them in the oven for about 25 minutes. Okay, and the dip goes in for 15 warm. Okay, see you when it's done. So that's the sauce. Okay, that's sauce. Now let's get them open. So let's get them open. Sweet chili. Right now. Everything time. Right, let's get this open. Oh! That's ridiculous. Now I'm gonna cut a piece of chicken. Let me show you a piece of chicken. I'm just gonna... That's what a chicken is. It's quite soft and dented. Now let's get into it. Okay. Right. Now let's just dip it into the sweet chili sauce. Right. That's the chili sauce to it. That's quite hot actually. But, can you remember, I love sweet chili. It's quite soft. It's fake as well, a fake McDonald's one. That's gorgeous. These were £2. I don't think they were worth £2 for a lot of these. But the price different with the McDonald's. It's crazy. Look at that. But absolutely gorgeous they are. Look at them again, yeah. I would. That's what's inside it. And I would have them again, but I don't think the price is worth it. But for the smell, it's quite nice actually. Then, that's so fun. So, and thank you for watching me. You only get 4 of this pack. It's quite new. Thank you for watching me. Make sure to subscribe. And what else? Maybe comment. Something nice, not hating comment. Well, that's better. Hate comment or some nice comments. And then bell it. New video. Every time I post, you see a new video. Subscribe. Yeah. Thanks, bye-bye.